If you're a salesperson or a business development representative and you're not currently using Magical for your list building and your prospecting, you got to check this out. The short version is that Magical and its Google Chrome extension allows you to have an AI agent that can help you build lists and scrape information that you need from whatever website you're on. First, just head on over to the Chrome web store where you can easily search for the Magical extension. Here, you'll download it. You will put it on your Chrome browser. I've already set one up and I've got obviously an account. You'll need to set up a new account as well, but the free version will give you enough horsepower to allow you to understand how to use the tool, build a few automations, and understand how it can help you. So you'll first start by creating a new automation, and I won't go into this in depth, but just wanted to show you what this interface looks like. I've already set this up. I've got the Chrome extension. I have the automation set up, and I'm going to be using this one here. So you can follow this to set up your first automation. I've created a Google spreadsheet, and I've organized it by, this is a LinkedIn prospect scraping spreadsheet. And I've got all the key details that I want to capture from the LinkedIn profile that I visit. And you'll notice all of that corresponds here with the automation that I've set up. So first name, last name, job title, company name, etc. Once you have everything set up, you'll see that the Magical extension is running, and I'm now going to go to a contact record. I'm going to use Paul Wagner, who is the CEO at 𝐔𝐬𝐞𝐫 Communities. I'm going to click into his LinkedIn profile. Now I'm going to run the Magical extension. And in this instance, you'll have to use credits. You get 20 of them with the free version to enrich this data, but you can see, click it, it's going to find Paul's email address. You can see I got it there. And now I'm going to pull this up, and you can see that each of these fields that I've mapped to that Google Sheet are here. I'm going to click Done, and I'm going to simply export that to the Google Sheet that we created. And you can see, once we've done that, Paul Wagner is now pulled up. All of his information is pulled in, mapped to the corresponding fields, and now you've got that contact record, that prospect, in your LinkedIn prospect scraping, and you can use this to automate all of your research, all of your prospect data gathering that you're looking for. For any sellers out there that have been doing this as long as I have, I can tell you that I would have killed for a tool like this 20 years ago. It's a great automation, a great platform, and super easy to use. So check it out, play around, and create some efficiencies with the use of technology. Cheers.